This is really great mask which is going to lighten your armpit in natural way without any side effect. So ladies and girls, get ready to try this out.
Larger than life.
Welcome to my channel. Okay, this is papaya mask. Basically papaya along with its peel and seeds, उसके छिलकों और बीज के साथ ही हम इस मास्क को बनाएंगे. इसको आपने alternate days पे यूज करना है, एक दिन छोड़ के एक दिन, और ये in a week it will show you the result. It is a bit tingling on the skin क्योंकि इसमें enzymes बहुत ज्यादा होते हैं, so it is very rich in enzymes जो कि work कर रहे होते हैं आप स्किन पे, तो थोड़ा सा irritating होता है. If it is bearable and it's okay, अगर ये बहुत ही unbearable हो तो फिर then just wash it off. Now let's see how to make it. You will need papaya peel, then papaya itself, meat of papaya, and then you need seeds. Okay, put all these three things in the blender and puree it. If you need some liquid, you can add lemon juice in it or rose water in it. और इसको अच्छा सा puree कर लें and just use it on alternate days. Do try this mask. Let me know how it worked on your skin. If you have any great tips regarding lightening your underarms, do share it with me. Like this video, share it with other people, and do subscribe my channel. See you soon in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.